What's up, party people? Today we are going to do a little bit of a review on something that you may have noticed in some of my views, but I didn't want to go over it before I had a chance to actually get a decent look at it and try it out. It is the Givi Airflow Windscreen that I'm putting on my V-Strom here. So it has the part that mounts down, same bolts as the regular windscreen, the factory windscreen. Then it's got sliders right here. You can release these, slide your windscreen up and down. And I currently have mine in the highest position because I am finding that that works the best for me to keep the buffeting off me and to keep the airflow off me. So let's take her out. So I did not have a ton of buffeting from the factory windscreen. I had a lot of wind on me, but I didn't have buffeting. So I picked this up used online. Somebody had bought this in the Mad Stat and decided to go with Mad Stat. So it hadn't been on their bike for very long. So I put it on mine. It went on super easy. It's taken off 4 bolts, putting 4 bolts back on. That's it. I mean, piece of cake. Now that I have it on, it definitely reduces the amount of wind on me. Now, we get a lot of wind up here in northwestern Ohio, and it's usually side wind. Like right now, it's blowing across. So obviously, it's not going to help that. If you want all the wind off you, you need to go ahead and get yourself a car. But, is he turning? Yep, he's turning. Okay, he's waiting. Thank you. Thank you for not turning in front of me and killing me. But this does an outstanding job of keeping the wind off me. Right in here, it's pretty dead air. Right back here, it's not pulling my jacket out and forward like some windscreens will have it do, which wouldn't be bad. But for the most part, it keeps the wind off me. Now, I have to keep this up at its highest setting. If I don't, as soon as I get a little too high and I move my head up, if I'm doing highway speeds, I start feeling a tap, 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 tap on the top of my head. It's the buffeting. If I duck my head down a little bit, then it doesn't do that. But who wants to ride for hours with their head ducked down? That's uncomfortable. So, the thing I don't like about having it up at full is I'm constantly looking through the windscreen. I wish that the windscreen was down here below my vision level and I could see over the top of it while still having the benefit of having the airflow. So you know what? Let's take a second. I'm going to stop since there's no traffic behind me. Now I'm going to lower this guy, show you how easy it is. There's lift up on both those. And then slide that down. And now, let's see. Now I'm looking over the top of it. Okay, so we'll have to take a test and see how that is. You may be with me when I found the new magic setting, but we'll see. For some reason I don't think so, but we'll see. So now my vision is clear across the top of it, which is exactly what I wanted. But I can already feel thumping on my helmet. And we're doing, you know, it says 65, so we're doing about 60 right now. Yep, and I feel it pushing on my helmet and shoving me around and buffeting. So this isn't what I wanted. This is not what I got it for. So we'll go ahead and raise it back up. and we'll go that way. All right, so the 2017 through 2019 V-Stroms are notorious for buffeting. One of the schools of thought is that it is from the mirrors. We talked about that before. I actually put these mirror extensions on here. Moves the mirrors out a little bit, and that's supposed to get rid of some of the buffeting. However, it does not for me. It does, however, give me a lot better vision on the sides. Would I go with the Givi again? You know, it's better than the factory. It is not the end-all be-all. It's not magic.